Gayahin mo ako,
Ayan, gayahan na naman.
din kita. Bilis ng pabilis hanggang sa ika'y mangala.
The final walk of our Mutyanang Sining 2025. Let us welcome Krish Amber Legaspi with the proud parents of Mr. Jovel Legaspi and Mrs. Remalyn Legaspi.
As I stand here tonight, I'm filled with mixed emotion of gratitude and sadness as I close one of the most beautiful chapters of my life. Winning is not all about waving of hands or awarding of statues and absolutely not wearing a crown. It is more than that. Last year, I have been blessed to wear this crown and tonight marks the end of my journey as the Mutyanang Sining. I want to express my heartfelt gratitude to the pageant organizers and judges for believing in me. I am very grateful to succeed without thinking to quit. Competing in this pageant has helped me discover and create the person I was meant to be. But I know I couldn't have done this without the people behind my success. As for that, my appreciation to those who believe in me through all this year. First and foremost, I truly thank the Lord for all the blessings He has showered upon me. To my family, friends, and supporters, you have been my rock and my greatest cheerleaders. Your unwavering love and support, and without your encouragement, I would not be the lady standing here tonight. This experience taught me resilience, humility, and determination. I've learned that every person deserves a chance to thrive and find their voice. To my successor, cherish and enjoy every moment and all future opportunities that will be handed to you. Try to reach as far, wide, and limitless as possible. Remember to keep your feet on the ground, win or lose. Give thanks to God always. Being your beauty queen is not having a crown on your head, but wearing it over your heart. To every contestant who participate in Mutyanang Sining 2026, no matter the outcome tonight, we are and always be beautiful inside and out. As my reign ends tonight, my journey continues. I will carry the lessons, memories, and friendships with me forever. I stand before you one last time as a title holder. This journey has been a stepping stone for bigger things to come. Ladies and gentlemen, I am Christian Ver Legaspi, your Mutyanang Sining 2025, now signing off.
Palakpakan po natin, Mutyanang Sining 2025, Krish Amber Legaspi.
Literal. Talaga magkapit tayo.
Wala lang boses, guys.